Hi everyone, welcome to our pm4 presentation. My name is Zixia Lu, and I'm from Team LGD. So today, so for me, I'm going to demo the parts for creating all the data access objects for this project. Well, my teammates will demo the JSP part of this homework. So let's just run this SQL code to create all the tables for our database. So as you can see, I just created all the tables for this assignment. And now let's go back to the Eclipse workbench. So inside the inserter, I created two region. One is Boston, the other one is called Region One. And I created another company called Company One, and the three transportations they are subway in Region One, bus in Boston, and bikes in Boston. Also, I created three police stations. First one is in Quincy, Boston. Second one is in downtown Boston. The third one is in downtown of Region One. So after I created all those insert all those values into the database, they should be displaying in our database. So I'm going to run this Java code real quick and then go back to the SQL, put select, start from, so let's start with the region. Now as you can see, Boston Region 1 are in this region table now. So let's go to the police. As you can see, police is already injected as well. And let's take a look at the transportation. Oh, transportation. Like I said, transportation has already injected to the transportation table. And the last one, which one's the last one? Yeah, the company. So like everything from company, we will have every data we just insert into the company table as shown here. So for the and for the first test I was using is get the region by region name, and as you can see, the very first output display the region one's status. And the second test case I'm using here is to get the company by company name. So when the input is company one, the second line of the output printed all the uh, values for the company one. And for the next one, I'm gonna to I was trying to print out the all the transportations from Boston, because we know there's two different transportations in Boston area. So for the convenience of this testing, I just use like a for loop, but only run twice to print every element inside this transportation, inside this returned transportation array list. And as you can see here, it printed out the transportation ID 2 and the transportation ID 3, and they are both in Boston. And for the last test case I'm using here is to get the police station by ID. So when I input the first police station ID, it printed out the first police station's information here. So now I'm going to hand over to my teammates, and she's going to present more about the JSP part of this assignment.